Hey everyone, welcome back to Amazing Facts on the Planet. Today, we're going to explore one of the most incredible creatures on our planet, the camel. You might think you know camels as just those desert animals with humps, but trust me, they are far more fascinating than most of us realize. By the end of this video, you'll see why camels are true survivors of the desert and why humans have relied on them for thousands of years. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into some amazing facts about camels. Camels are often called the ships of the desert, and there's a good reason for that. Imagine traveling through scorching heat, vast stretches of sand, and little to no water. For most animals, this would be impossible, but camels have evolved some of the most incredible adaptations to survive in these extreme conditions. One of their most famous features, of course, is their humps. Contrary to popular belief, camels don't store water in their humps. Instead, these humps store fat, which the camel can convert into energy when food is scarce. This allows them to survive for days or even weeks without food while traveling across the desert. And here's the cool part. As the fat is used up, the hump can actually shrink and droop, and when they eat again, it slowly regains its shape. But their survival skills don't stop there. Camels are built to handle extreme dehydration. They can lose up to 25% of their body weight in water without any serious health effects, something that would be fatal for most animals. When they finally find water, they can drink enormous amounts, up to 40 gallons in just 15 minutes. That's faster than any of us could ever drink, and it ensures they can replenish their water reserves quickly before heading back into the desert. Their bodies are perfectly designed to retain this water efficiently. Their red blood cells are oval-shaped, which allows them to flow easily even when the camel is dehydrated, unlike the round-shaped cells in most other animals. Camels are also perfectly adapted to extreme temperatures. During the day, the desert sun can heat the sand to over 70 degrees Celsius, yet camels are able to maintain a stable body temperature. They even allow their body temperature to fluctuate to avoid sweating and conserve water. Their thick fur reflects sunlight, while the underside of their body stays cool to protect them from the scorching sand. At night, when the desert can get freezing cold, their fur keeps them warm, showing just how versatile these animals are in handling temperature extremes. If you've ever seen a camel up close, you might have noticed their unique faces. Camels have long eyelashes, bushy eyebrows, and even the ability to close their nostrils to protect against sandstorms. These features make them almost like built-in desert goggles. It's like nature gave them all the tools they needed to survive sandstorms, which can be fierce and blinding in the desert. Camels also have an unusual way of walking that helps them in the desert. They move both legs on one side of their body at the same time, giving them a rocking, swaying gait. This movement is called pacing, and it helps them keep their balance on shifting sand while conserving energy during long journeys. Coupled with their large, padded feet, camels can walk for hours without sinking into the sand, making them perfect for crossing deserts. Aside from these physical adaptations, camels are intelligent and social creatures. They form strong bonds with their herds and communicate using a variety of sounds, from soft moans to loud bellows. They recognize each other by scent and sound, and in the wild, this social structure helps them survive. Camels also have an impressive memory. They can remember water sources, routes, and even individual humans who treat them kindly. Humans have had a long and fascinating relationship with camels. For thousands of years, they have been used as transportation for carrying goods across deserts, and as a source of milk, meat, and even clothing. Camel milk, for instance, is highly nutritious and has been a staple for desert communities for generations. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and even antibodies that can help fight diseases. Camel leather and hair are also used for making tents, rugs, and clothing, proving that these animals are not just survivors, but essential partners for human life in the desert. Camels are also incredible swimmers in a sense, not in water, but in the sense that they can literally swim through sand. When walking through soft dunes, they push and pull with such strength and balance that they glide over the sand without sinking much, almost as if they are walking on water. This unique ability makes them unmatched in their habitat. There are also different types of camels, each with unique traits. The dromedary camel, which has a single hump, is the most common and is mostly found in the Middle East and North Africa. Then there's the Bactrian camel, with two humps, found in Central Asia. Bactrian camels are known for their incredible strength and ability to survive in even colder climates, showing just how versatile camels can be as a species. Camels are not just amazing because of what they can do physically. They also have a fascinating digestive system. They are ruminants, meaning they have a three-chambered stomach that allows them to digest tough desert vegetation efficiently. They can eat thorny plants, dry grass, and salty desert vegetation that most animals cannot touch. This ability to thrive on almost anything gives them a huge advantage in harsh environments where food is scarce. Another interesting fact is their lifespan. Camels can live up to 50 years, which is long for an animal of their size. Over their lifetime, they can carry heavy loads across deserts, transport goods, and even help entire communities survive in extreme conditions. Their strength, endurance, and adaptability are unmatched in the animal kingdom. Camels are also amazing parents. A baby camel, called a calf, can stand and walk within just a few hours after birth. The mother provides rich milk, and calves quickly learn survival skills by observing the herd. This rapid development is essential for survival in the wild, where predators and harsh environments pose a constant threat. And if you thought camels were just about survival, think again. They are surprisingly gentle and intelligent animals. They can form bonds with humans and even show emotions, expressing happiness, curiosity, or distress through body language and sounds. Camels have been used in therapy programs in some cultures because of their calm and patient nature. So, the next time you see a camel, remember that it's not just a desert animal. It is a remarkable creature built by nature for survival, endurance, and adaptability. From their fat-storing humps and sand-protecting features to their social intelligence and long-term bonds with humans, camels are truly one of the most amazing animals on Earth. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible desert survivors, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Amazing Facts on the Planet for more fascinating facts, and leave a comment telling us which camel fact amazed you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.